Hi everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of introversion and happiness. If you're someone who finds joy in solitude, appreciates meaningful connections, and values self-care, you're in the right place. Let's explore the keys to living a happy introverted life. Before we start, support me with a nice comment, like, and subscribe. I always appreciate your support. Embrace your true self. The first key to happiness as an introvert is embracing your true self. Accept that your need for alone time is a valuable aspect of your personality. Take pride in your introspective nature and don't be afraid to say no to social situations that drain your energy. Cultivate meaningful connections. Introverts often excel at forming deep, meaningful connections. Focus on quality over quantity when it comes to friendships. Invest your time in people who understand and appreciate your introverted nature and who support your personal growth. Create your sacred space. A happy introverted life is built around the concept of me time. Create a sacred space where you can recharge, reflect, and pursue your passions. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, an art corner, or a meditation area, make it a reflection of your inner world. Pursue purposeful activities. Introverts thrive when engaging in purposeful activities. Identify hobbies and pursuits that align with your interests and strengths. Whether it's writing, painting, coding, or playing a musical instrument, these activities provide a sense of fulfillment. Practice self-care. Self-care is paramount for introverts. Involves prioritizing self-care routines that replenish your energy. Whether it's reading a book, taking long walks, practicing mindfulness, or enjoying a hot cup of tea, remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, but necessary. Embrace growth and challenges. Happiness comes from personal growth and facing challenges head-on. Step out of your comfort zone occasionally. This could mean attending social events that interest you, trying new experiences, and pushing your boundaries. Communicate your needs. Effective communication is vital for introverts. Openly communicate your needs to your loved ones. Let them know when you require solitude or when you're ready to connect. Healthy communication ensures that your relationships are built on understanding. Mindful time management. Introverts often have a rich inner world. Practice mindful time management. Allocate time for focused work, creative endeavors, and relaxation. By managing your time intentionally, you can avoid overwhelm and ensure a balanced, happy life. Seek meaningful conversations. Meaningful conversations can be incredibly rewarding for introverts. Seek out discussions that align with your interests and values. Engage in one-on-one conversations or small group settings where you can dive deep into topics that matter to you. Explore nature and solitude. Nature has a soothing effect on introverts. Spend time in nature and relish in solitude. Whether it's a hike in the mountains, a stroll by the beach, or simply sitting in a park, connecting with the natural world can bring a sense of tranquility. Find introverted role models. Finding role models who embrace their introverted traits can be inspiring. Identify introverted individuals who have succeeded in various fields. Learn from their experiences and see how they've leveraged their introversion as a strength. Reflect and journal. Introverts thrive on introspection. Incorporate reflection and journaling into your routine. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and goals. This practice can help you gain insights into yourself and your aspirations, leading to personal growth. Embrace quiet reflection. Quiet reflection is a sanctuary for introverts. Dedicate time for deep introspection and self-discovery. Embrace moments of solitude to explore your thoughts, emotions, and aspirations. Practice active listening. Introverts excel at active listening. Hone this skill by giving your full attention to conversations. By truly hearing others and understanding their perspectives, you can foster meaningful connections and enrich your relationships. Cultivate empathy. Empathy is a hallmark of introverts. Cultivate empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes. This practice not only enhances your understanding of different viewpoints but also deepens your connections with people. Explore intellectual curiosity. Intellectual curiosity fuels introverts' passion for learning. Explore subjects that pique your curiosity, whether it's delving into a new book, watching documentaries, or engaging in thought-provoking discussions. Your thirst for knowledge brings happiness. Celebrate small wins. Small wins deserve celebration. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they seem. By acknowledging your progress, you boost your self-esteem and maintain a positive outlook on life. Establish a morning routine. A well-crafted morning routine sets the tone for the day. Establish a morning ritual that nurtures your mind, body, and soul. This routine can include activities like meditation, journaling, exercise, or savoring a leisurely breakfast. Prioritize restful sleep. Restful sleep is essential for introverts' well-being. Prioritize healthy sleep habits. Create a serene sleep environment. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and unwind before bedtime to ensure you wake up refreshed and ready for the day. And there you have it, the keys to living a happy introverted life. Remember, introversion is a beautiful way of experiencing the world, and by embracing these keys, you can unlock a life filled with contentment, meaningful connections, and personal growth. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, embrace your introverted nature and stay happy.